In systematic transfer plan, you will have two schemes. One is STP out scheme, other one is STP in scheme. STP out scheme means from which scheme you are transferring money, and the STP in scheme means to which scheme you are transferring the money. STP out scheme should present in your portfolio. That means you should already have some investment in that scheme. So when you have money in that scheme, so that you can transfer that money to the any another scheme, that is in scheme. Or you can also transfer money by the time of the STP date. So after investing the money in the STP out scheme, you can set up an STP to any scheme you like. Let's see how to do STP, that means systematic transfer plan, in ICICI Mutual Fund AMC website. Not only in ICICI website, you can do the same process in any AMC website by following this video. To do the STP, first log into your AMC website. Here it is ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. After login, click on View Portfolio option. Now click on Show Schemes. Here you can see I have two mutual fund schemes. One is ICICI Prudential Liquid Fund. Other one is ICICI Prudential Nifty 50 Index Fund. STP means, as I said earlier, it is systematic transfer plan. It is used to transfer a fixed amount of money from mutual fund, generally from liquid funds to the equity funds, so that instead of investing lump sum amount at a time, you are investing at regular intervals like an SIP, so that it reduces the risk of investing the entire amount at a time. For example, here you can see I have liquid fund and an equity fund. It is Nifty 50 Index Fund. Now I will do an STP from liquid fund to the Nifty 50 Index Fund. To do the STP, select options here. Here it is a downward arrow. Now click on it. In each website, the options are different. Sometimes you will see three dots. Here you can see the arrow option. Now click on more option here. And here you can see other transaction types. Here you can see SIP, SWP, STP and more. Now click on it. You have to select the liquid fund to do the STP. Or you can also do the STP from the equity fund to the liquid fund. It is up to you. But most of the times STPs will be done from the liquid funds to the equity funds. Here you can see an option called STP. Now click on Start. Here you can see ICICI Liquid Fund is selected. If not selected, you have to select it. Or if you want to change to other scheme, you can also change it. For example, if I want to change to the Nifty 50 Index Fund, I can do that. But here I want to do the STP from liquid fund. So I selected the liquid fund here. Next, enter the amount that you want to do the STP. Here I want to do 20,000 rupees each month. So I have entered 20,000. Next, select the frequency. I want to do the STP monthly. So I selected monthly here. Next, select the date on which you want to do the STP. If you select the date, every month on this date, STP will be performed. Now scroll down. Here you have to select the end date. That means until which period you want to do the STP. If you want to keep the STP until cancel, then keep this option until cancel. Or if you want to specify any date, then you can specify the date. Or you can also select the number of installments. I want to select the number of installments is 36. That means it is 3 years. In each year we have 12 months. So for 3 years it is 36 months. You can do any number of installments like 6 months or 10 months or 12 months. Is it up to you? Next, select the target scheme. Now you have to select the target scheme to which you want to do the STP. Here you can see we are doing STP from liquid fund. Now if I want to transfer the money from this liquid fund to the equity fund. In my present portfolio, I already have Nifty 50 Index Fund. So I want to transfer the STP amount to this fund. Or if you want to select any new fund, you can also do that. You don't need to have that scheme already in your portfolio. For example, here you can see I select index fund. Here I am seeing different funds like Nifty 50 Index Fund, Nifty Next 50 Index Fund, like that. You can see different mutual fund schemes here. If you want to select Nifty Next 50 Index Fund, you can select that. But I want to do the STP to the Nifty 50 Index Fund. Next, select the option Growth option, so that the dividends will also reinvested, and select the option Direct Plan. Next, click on Continue. If you want to see the summary, click on this downward arrow, and here you can see the STP out scheme. That means from ICICI Liquid Fund to the STP in scheme, the amount is transferring to the ICICI Prudential Nifty 50 Index Fund Direct Plan. Now enter the OTP received to your mobile number. After entering the OTP, check this terms and conditions box and click on Continue. See, the transaction is successfully completed and it is under processing. So in my case, the STP start date is 10th September 2025. So from this date, each month, On 10th of each month, the STP will be performed. That means 20,000 rupees will be transferred from ICICI Prudential Liquid Fund to the ICICI Prudential Nifty 50 Index Fund. That's it. You don't need to do anything else. If you want to cancel the STP, you can do that at any time. So you don't need to worry about the cancellation process as well. In our future videos, I will do how to cancel an STP as well. So still, if you have any doubts about the STP process, ask in the below comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe to Rajtak India.